as I flash touch for the baby, they scream, they shout. The baby carry her eye come up. The baby come look me, turn look me. The way I feel say the baby feel that moment, be say finally, person wey go help me don come. Now wetin I see for the baby eye, now the expression wey the baby give me. Hi, I fear, I shock, as in fear catch me that night. In fact, the fear why I feel that night, I never experienced them before. But I fear catch me. But I know say me, I no go leave am there. No be so my mama train me. Now why I come carry the baby, come go to the station. After everything I carry and go my.
Hello my people, I greet the full house from untouchable mama. Also now they fine and do well. So now tell they help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless so now. I beg it today now the first time when they watch my video. I beg may you follow me for Facebook untouchable mama backup page or untouchable mama. Let me still get onto mama for YouTube. My people, I agree to now where this video where I carry come so hey, this video, oh my god, when I dey watch and that's why they shake. I go put the full video for Namona watch about this little baby story where happen. Now what for some people to just get mind to leave your pikin for marketplace. Hi. Now wow, I know say the country get as e be, but not be to the extent to leave innocent pikin, leave her for there. Anybody wey now I don't know as I take talk am my people, because you know say when pikin, not be say pikin and then they decide where they want follow come the parents where they need. No, then they come, God they bring am come. And some people dey wey no even get this pikin, then they find they go. When some go get am, they'll come dey like say wetin make you come my side, I no need you, you know. So this our brother, this brother wey God go bless for wetin he do for this baby. He say as him dey waka dey come for night, he come hear the cry of this small baby for there, you know. So he come go near the baby. As he dey look am, the baby dey look am, he dey cry, you understand. So inside him mind, he come talk say this pikin wey dey here, as far as say he no know the person wey get am, and na night we dey, small pikin not supposed to dey for street like this. So he just kukuma carry the pikin, he carry am go for the nearest police station. I go put on, I go watch, and I go still hear from him from wetin dey talk for them. Say carry am to the nearest police station, and they don write everything finish. He can carry the baby come house, so he can continue to dey take care of the small baby. My people, if you now see the video, the time I'll just put only the picture and I go see am. The time where the baby, the time where you see that pikin for street place, even where the time where you for see the pikin sef, other people they pass there, they no gree carry. But some people now wash out. They even put some akara for there, like say okay, if you hungry, they worry you, may you they eat for there. But nobody gree carry am. Because normally small pikin like this wey no dey talk, if you see something like this, you need to take am carry am go police station, make dem for know say see wetin dey happen, instead of you to leave am for there. God go bless this man, he no leave the pikin for there, he kukuma carry am go give police station, go tell them for there. So he start to dey take care of the small baby. And na very young boy wey do this thing now, 27 years old boy wey get that mind, he get that courage to say I wan carry this pikin, I no leave am for here, because night dey people dey pass for there. But some people get mind, but some people get mind instead of you to leave am for road like that, why you no find somebody to give am to? Many people dey wey dey find pikin, they no gree see, if they don dey do many things just to get one, but because of say God give you, you no know the value. Abeg, if you be that kind person, say maybe your pikin wey you born, you dey look am like say something wey too heavy for you, e too much for you, find somebody wey you know say im dey look for pikin, give hand over am to am. For you to go leave am for road, rain go beat am, sun go dey, no, this pikin really pass through many things. If I put the picture, because I no wan just play the video like that, I go put the picture. Una just see the way it be and the way it can be now. You'll see the difference is clear. Some people too get mind though, for real. They too get mind. They don't care. They only care of their own. Or maybe now, what me come they think? I been a mad person. I know some these mad people. Maybe now something. I bet anyway, mad person not they live in Pikin. Even though say they mad, the Pikin go on like that well. Unless say this one now just mad wey just mad finish, wey no even anything no concern am, even though say the pikin cry or e leave am for road. Sometimes if you see mad people, if you wan touch their pikin, the way they take dey do, no touch their pikin. You just touch them better pass say you go touch their pikin. Leave am for there for many days. Maybe e don pass 2 to 3 days, go dey there. You know na small pikin wey dey never start to dey waka. I think maybe e go be 6 months or 7 months na e go be. E no dey waka, e no dey talk. E go dey there, and many people dey pass, dem no even care to carry am. Say maybe dem wan carry am go to the near police office, make dem see wetin dey go on. Some people too get mind, dem too get mind. Many like this we dey see dem. Thank God say now this baby now don dey for this boy hand, and wetin the boy talk, I pray may e fit achieve wetin e dey talk about this pikin. Say cause him just come take am like e own, you know. So he go do everything by all means to make sure say this pikin grow well. He go school, better school, even to travel out of the country. Say he go try make him do am, because when you see something like that, e dey pain well. See innocent pikin wey e no get any e no be say na him say he wan come this world. My people, no be say na him talk am say I must come. You don born am finish, you get that mind say make you wan go live am for there. I just believe say people wey dey do all this kind thing, why God dey give them children? Then God not for dey give them. Make they give those people wey get interest, wey go fit take care, wey know the feeling. Because when you know the feeling of pikin, even though say you hear the voice, say they cry for one corner, you go run the way you take run. Say you dey think say maybe for those people wey dey do this kind thing, they no know the feeling of anything. They no even love themselves. Talk like say they wan love another person. And so me, and this one na my opinion, because when person no love himself, e no fit love another person. Now when you love yourself, now you go still get that love for another person. Like this pikin now, like say this boy no see am that very night. Now another thing na for happen for this pikin life. I'll put the video more na watch am. Help me to share this video. God go bless you as you do. One love. Now bye.
As I first touch for the baby, they scream, they shout. The baby carry an eye come up. The baby can't look me, turn look me. The way I feel say the baby feel that moment, be say finally, person will go help me, don't come. Now wait till I see for the baby eye. Now waiting, now the expression where the baby give me. Hi, I fear, I shock, fear catch me down. In fact, the fear why I feel down, I never experienced them before. But I fear catch me. But I know say me, I no go leave am there. No be so my mama train me. Now why I come carry the baby, come go to the station. After everything, I carry and go my house with the help of my friend. From there, we come to take care of the baby.
Okay, clap for yourself.
Ooh, yeah, give me a hand. Yeah.
Clap for yourself.
Now, mad woman wey leave this baby come out. Now for market they leave the baby. The mama leave the baby. The people wey dey around they talk say the baby don dey there for 3 days. Even rain come beat am. Sunshine come beat am too. In fact, na them they just bring akara, they put for ground for am. Scars, sores, full her body, her head, everywhere. Her stomach was so big. In fact, the doctors wey been treat am talk say na kwashiorkor. Now she don already enter kwashiorkor. I be Ben Kingsley Nwashara. I'm a law graduate from Enugu State University of Science and Technology. I dey 27 years old. The medical status of the baby, the baby don't change. Now the baby don't recover. In fact, na God, not even doctors, na God. Because as wetin they even see for the baby body, adult no fit survive am. Wetin the baby survive, adult no fit survive am. The pikin don attract so many blessings, and she still attract blessing for my life. So na gift she be for me. The pikin don't change the way I take the reason. Now I don't the reason like person wey don marry, person wey I don't plan myself better than before. I been plan myself well better, but now I don't organize my life better than before. Since this baby come my life, I am more happy. I am happier than I am before. If you ask me for the challenge where they pass since baby come my life, I go tell you nothing. In fact, wetin I dey plan be say if I finish wetin I dey do for Enugu, if I go not just give the baby the best education, how to take her around the world, give her the kind life where rich men they give their pikin, anything where every human being go enjoy, she go enjoy them. I go make sure say she go to school where she go do her masters, her PhD. In fact, I go sponsor her. She no go like anything. I know say I go still tell them. the story, how I take find am. But for now, I know the reason am for now. When she grows, I go still tell am. How I go take tell am, I don't know. But I know say she suppose know when she grow up. She get right to know.